Now, let's talk about another common condition, and that's snapping on the back of one of the knuckles. It's usually the middle finger knuckle or the ring finger knuckle, big knuckles of the hand. What happens is a tendon that connects a big muscle up here to the end of the fingers is rolling off the back of the knuckle. Well, it's important because when it's rolling off, it's very, very uncomfortable. It can be very, very painful. So it's very important, as with all things, to catch this early. If you're noticing that this cord or this tendon, which connects to your extensor muscle here, when you bend and that's rolling off, you have to get into your doctor right away. And I would ask to be seen by a hand surgeon, a fellowship trained hand surgeon, and also a certified hand therapist.